Welcome to Still Ritual. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand the frame technique. It's a gentle practice of creating an energetic boundary, a luminous frame of light surrounding your body. This frame defines your personal space, holding your energy in clarity and peace. Throughout life, we scatter pieces of ourselves in conversations, worries, and old memories. The frame technique helps us call that energy home, restoring balance and wholeness. In this meditation, you'll use the flame before you as a mirror of your inner light. With each inhale, you'll draw your energy inward, strengthening your frame. With each exhale, you'll soften your gaze and let love radiate outward, sharing warmth without losing power. This is the dance of balance, receiving and giving, grounding and expanding, returning home to your beautiful light. Find a quiet space and light a candle before you. As the flame steadies, take a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen gently. Your shoulders drop, and your hands rest softly on your lap. Take a few slow, easy breaths. With each inhale, breathe in presence. With each exhale, release the day. Let your eyes rest softly on the candle flame. Notice how it moves, alive, flickering, and yet calm in its center. This flame is your mirror. It reflects your own light, your own energy, your own sacred power. Now take a slow inhale through the nose. And as you do, imagine gathering your energy inward. Feel all scattered thoughts, emotions, and fragments of attention drawing gently back toward your heart. The inhale gathers your energy. The inhale brings you home. Then, as you exhale, let your gaze soften. Blur your focus slightly so the flame glows into a gentle halo of light. With that exhale, Imagine love radiating outward from your heart. Flowing through your breath. Filling the room with peace. Inhale, calling your energy inward. Exhale, sending out love. A rhythm of receiving and giving. A dance of energy returning home. Now visualize a soft golden frame of light around you. It glows in harmony with the candle flame. This frame is your sacred boundary. Strong, clear, and loving. It defines where you end and the world begins. With each inhale, feel that light strengthen around you, drawing your power inward from old worries, from other people's emotions, from the past. Whisper gently to yourself, I call all my energy back to me, cleansed, clear, and whole. On the exhale, soften your gaze. Letting your energy expand with love into the space around you. I radiate peace and love to all that surrounds me. Inhale, reclaiming. Exhale, blessing. Inhale, returning home. Exhale, harmonizing with the universe. Notice how this rhythm feels like balance. There is no force, no effort, only the gentle flow of energy inward to replenish, outward to love. As you continue breathing, the flame reflects your wholeness. Each spark of light reminds you that you are both grounded and luminous. You do not need to chase energy. Simply recall what has always belonged to you. Now imagine your heart glowing like the candle's core. steady, golden, infinite. With every inhale, it fills with power. And with every exhale, it grows brighter. And whisper softly, my energy is my own. My love is infinite. I am whole and radiant in my own light. And let those words settle into your being. Feel the golden frame around you, steady and luminous. You are contained and connected at once. Safe within your own energy, open in your love. And take one last deep inhale, gathering every piece of your energy back into your heart. And hold for a moment, feeling the fullness of your own light. And then slowly exhale, letting your love ripple outward like warm light, touching everything gently, blessing without depletion. You are home in your energy. You are radiant in your love. You are the flame, steady, clear, eternal. And sit for a few moments more, simply watching the candle. Let gratitude fill your chest. Gratitude for the light, for your breath, for this moment of return. And when you are ready, you may blow out the candle. Knowing that your energetic battery is recharged, and that the flame now burns within you. Thanks for taking the time to practice with us today. I hope your day is full of lightness, balance, and laughter. And enjoy your beautiful life.